I looked into them, and the Aries was standing in the sink.
Standing in the sink?
She's telling the raccoon story to the scaredy squirrel.
Okay.
When I looked into the bathroom, I saw a raccoon in the room because she was ruining my pajamas. And I looked into the bathroom and she was making a mess. And she was making a mess. And all of a sudden, she was ruining the party. And I just skipped her. She was off. She was running down the stairs and finding her daddy raccoon. She was running to get her baby one and her mother one real quick. And I looked into the bathroom. Oh my God, and there was a mess. And the pillow was flying around in the air. And I just saw that, and it come down to my fingers, and it bopped me in the head. What silly raccoon? I just found you. Goodbye. Let's go. Have to stay warm and comfy. You're making a baby. Like a foot. I'm making a bed for him. You need this big one? I'm playing some blinking with him. And he's falling asleep. Gonna tell you one story. Would you, madam? Will you have this? Will you have this? No, you have this. Boo, but, and then, let's do and wait because this bed is going to get ruined. I'm looking for my kitty squirrel. I'm looking for my Pete dog, and I'm leaving to him. I'm looking for my other one. This is right here. Long. Let's see. Where's the spoonbill?
The spoonbill? He's probably in the bird section. Look, a snake.